Hey guys, welcome to the database security. Guys, today we are going to talk about one of the tool uh, which actually going to help us to find the SQL injection vulnerability in the respective websites. So guys, before giving a demonstration, let me advise you one thing here very clearly. The practical that we are actually going, it's touching to the both of the domain like our application penetration testing as well as the database security, because SQL injection is relevant to both. Mainly it's like belonging to the database security. So guys, in the database security, what exactly happens is when we are just talking about like the newcomers or the noobs or the new people who are entering into this field, they want to try their hands on dirty in SQL injection finding vulnerability mechanism and the process, so that they can have a good understanding with the SQL injection. Now the question is, guys, how to find the SQL injection vulnerable website so that they can try their hands on dirty. So we have a tool here, name is a SQLiv, that is available free on the guys, GitHub. So how to install, how to use, I will be explaining you everything. So SQLiv is basically a massive SQL injection vulnerability scanner which uses the database of Google, Bing and Yahoo to retrieve the SQL injection vulnerability through Google Doc database, Google Doc queries. And it uses nothing but, guys, the Python 2. So to install this software is very easy. What you have to do is you have to just copy the URL, type git space clone space enter. So what it does, it start downloading the SQLiv package locally in your machine. After that, what you have to do is you have to type ls to list down the files and folder available uh, in the root directory. Then after, you can find that SQLiv is successfully locally downloaded. Now I'm changing the directory and jumping into the SQLiv folder. Again, I'm just typing ls, and there is a one requirement.txt file. That what I have to do is I have to just type simply Python. I'm sorry, I have to simply type pip install -r requirement.txt file and enter. So after that, what exactly happens is it will be start downloading the dependency or the requirement of this tool to run by calling to the respective the URLs and the locations defined in the requirement.txt file. And post this, it will keep a tool ready. There we go. Now type ls, and we have a Python tool to run, that is SQLiv, this one, and help. So you can see that tool has been successfully installed as it is jumping the help menu. Now what I'm going to do is I'm defining the dork, like search in URL index dot php question mark id equal to if any URL in the database of Google. Let me try first Bing. So it's saying that 7 websites found which are having this particular dork involved, but out of those 7 website, how many are actually vulnerable? This is something will be confirmed by this particular software. So as you can see that SNI india.com website which is having index.php question mark id equal to something, it may be integer the parameterized id value, or maybe guys, string. So we have got to know that this is the particular tool confirming that this is actually vulnerable. So don't get confused that 7 website is being stated that actually all are vulnerable. No, 7 website which are having actually this Google Doc available, but this tool is confirming post this finding that out of the 7 website, how many are vulnerable. This is something this tool will be confirming. and once it has done with the full scanning, it will be giving a proper presentation of the SQL injection vulnerable website plus the database it is using, and the version of the respective website and some information. Yep, like I told. So if you want to also confirm, so I'm using single quote, and there we go. You can see that it's throwing the MySQL like error, guys, generating the error. So this is how like this tool is finding. So hope this video you would have liked it, guys. If you like it, so please utilize this tool to find the vulnerability. And it's not necessary that always you have to use the index.php. It can be anything, like I'm using book, and the source is, this time I'm defining Google. Unknown error occurred. So there may be some error, guys, at this point of time is occurring. Anyway, you can try Yahoo. No website has been found. Let's try for the Bing. If the same dork, if Bing is holding any information right now, so it is saying that it has the 10 website found which is having the Google Doc involved book.php question mark id equal to 15. So you can see this is how you can just keep changing the source and the Google Doc id, in case if you are new and you don't know where to find the right Google Doc. So guys, what you can do is you better just like search online and do googling. So over the Google, lot of blogs, websites are maintained by the number of people who are sharing such like information, and can be used to verify whether they are vulnerable, like whether they are sharing any vulnerable website information through the Google docking process. So hope this, guys, you would have liked this video, and if you have any query, please reach out to us. If not, thank you so much.